Geek it up and watch the SRT skate. 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 Boom!
What's live against Wall Street gang? It's your boy Silky T, man. This road looks hella familiar because we is in Mexico once again. But I'm through 3 weeks in with the goddamn motherfucking taser or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? And I drive a long way from my house. I drive like an hour from my house to go to work. So I was using the Eco at first until I seen a video of it saying that it's like treating your car like a 4-cylinder, so it's making your pistons uneven or whatever the fuck that shit said. So I stopped using it, but I will say that the Eco shit do work. I didn't think it was gonna work due to the fact that my car did not come with that, but it worked. It was better on gas, driving wise. I mean, even still, my miles per gallon is high, so my car saves gas. But right now we is in sport, and I'm gonna give y'all a little review for each one of them. I'm gonna go to the dashboard. As you can see, we is in sport. This is normally what I just ride in, cause I mean, when that was my, I guess you want to call it, track. Before I got the taser, initially added the taser, was sport. So I just ride in that now. The car sounds different and it pulls different in sport. Once you go from like Eco to track or to sport, you can hear the changeover, or it's like it's opening up something, and then the car just fucking growling even louder. But I mean, when I race, I either race in sport or I either race in custom. My custom settings is my transmission is track, and then my traction and steering is sport. But as y'all can hear, then it didn't change over nothing. I can literally go to track. It's not changing. It's not literally not changing nothing over. But the car does fucking. It pulls differently. I mean, it's acting totally different. Like Cam used to say, boy, it's acting totally different. I ain't gonna lie to you. But you know, like I said, bro, I normally just ride in sport. I ain't trying to goddamn put gas in the motherfucker every 5 seconds. As y'all can see, I need gas in this motherfucker now. But we ain't gonna talk about that because I'm in the middle of Mexico. But if you got an RT, I would say that's the best move, bro, is to go ahead and just install the taser. It's something simple, bro. I got a video. It will be at the end of this video, to where you can click on it and go and watch it. It's full, in-depth, and details and stuff like that. I haven't updated my taser yet to let y'all know, you know, how it works after the update or whatever, but I will get that out to y'all. I added a front lift to the car. Somebody rear-ended me on the highway. I was getting off the exit, and me being a good Samaritan, the girl was young. She said she was driving her pop's car. It didn't do anything to her car, so I was just like, "You good?" I was like, "Just, you know, count it as a blessing and stay off your phone." But I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, bro. I'm thinking about forging my pistons and rods, bro. Before I see the video, I don't know if y'all been seeing it. For y'all ones that tune in that's been here, there's a fucking wide body RT. It's a 5.7. It's purple, matte purple, and then they got a fucking supercharger on that shit. I seen that shit, so that like spiked something in my head. He ain't really going into details about the shit, so I mean, business wise, I hope you don't, because then that's good content for me, and I'll get a lot more subscribers and shit like that, and viewers to come check it out. Because as y'all know, 5.7s can hold more boost than the motherfucking scat. So that adding that supercharger on there and having a little whine in a 5.7 be something crazy. As y'all can hear, my fucking Hemi tick. I'm gonna have a Hemi tick with a supercharger. Ain't nothing like that though. That's a crazy combination. But I'm gonna start cutting up on the highways. I'm going to Alabama this weekend, and it's a long 1-hour drive as well. We're going down there for my homeboy birthday party or whatever at this little bowling alley. It's some far shit, so I'm pick up the camera on that. We got us a Hemi, ex-police all-wheel drive RT. My homeboy got that. I got a homeboy with a Chrysler 300. I got a homeboy with a Scat Pack, and then I got a homeboy with a Challenger, but he already gonna be down in Alabama. But that's gonna be some good ass content for y'all or whatnot. So I'm gonna keep y'all boys tuned in. I'm gonna give y'all a little downshift and pull real quick before I drop the goddamn camera. I gotta get a tune for my fucking headers too, by the way. I ain't forgot about that shit. It's just them bills is kicking me in the ass. I did not sign up for this shit. My mama told me I'm gonna be thankful in the long run, but I did not know that shit was gonna be like that. I ain't gonna lie to y'all niggas. But yeah, bro. Oh yeah, let me put y'all on with this shit too. Let me go to my dashboards. I mean, a lot of this shit already came on. It already came on the stock shit. That's launch control. It says race options. I'm gonna go to the performance pages or whatever. I'm doing this while I'm driving. Y'all can't say I ain't no goat. You got the home. You got timers, gauges, G-force, engine, and dyno. But like I said, bro, to me, that shit was already there. None of that is new to me, I don't think. Maybe I'm tweaking, but as far as I know, none of that shit is new to me. My brother's cousin got a taser on his fully built, his FBO RT. He forged it into a 6.1. He got the taser, but his shit got a whole lot more different shit than mine, I think. But next time I see that nigga, I'm just gonna video that shit and I'm just gonna add it in a random ass video, cause I know I won't forget that shit. But you can add shit to that or whatever. What the fuck? I didn't even realize that shit showed my gears. But anyways, yeah, you can add shit to that or whatever. And goddamn, check out your time. You can do 0 to 60. I gotta check my 0 to 60. I ain't did that yet. My top speed in this car is 20 miles per hour. But when I started the taser, I ain't gonna lie, I went and took it out and ran it, and I don't know. It's not what I ran is not supposed to do anything with power, but I feel like it gave it a little bit of a better response time. Or for me, it felt like it gave my car a better response time. From stock to with the taser, it felt like it gave it a better response time, and it sounded like it just made my car a little bit louder. And as obviously, this shit look hard when you got the SRT modes and shit like that. So I mean, to me it's a plus. You got street and track fucking traction control now. So I don't know what the fuck that do, but 5.7 got a 2-point-something LSD. I need a that's probably what I'm gonna do next. My 309 LSD differential. I'm gonna do that next. But I got the motherfucking 5.7, so it don't come with a 309. And I gotta get the 309 so that I can goddamn get better, so I can lose traction better. And I guess for my starter, I really don't know anything about that shit either. I just know to get that shit because they said that these motherfuckers, and from previous experience of trying to do a burnout, I'm at Donuts, you gotta fucking spin the tires for ages before you can goddamn start throwing it. But I ain't no takeover type of person. I just do it with my homeboys, you know, get a reaction out of my homeboys, have a little fun with my homeboys. But I'm gonna start posting shit like that, you know what I'm saying, once my other homeboy DJ get his fucking shit. But for right now, bro, young nigga been working, bro, so I ain't really been picking up the camera or whatever. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell your auntie, mother, sister, brother, cousin, dog, shit, everybody, goddamn it. Yeah, make your turtle a fucking YouTube channel. Tell that nigga to subscribe to me too. But y'all know we're trying to get out the trenches, you know, one day at a time. You know, God did. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Love y'all boys. Peace.
Okay, bye.
I know you hate it when I leave, but you know I gotta try. Gotta get that back from me and you. So